Welcome to Alva's. Here, learning is modern but rooted in values. We nurture an environment where structure is balanced with empathy, ensuring that every lesson shapes not only capable minds but caring hearts. Here, children learn to think and to imagine new possibilities. We also build strength and balance. The Adventure Club teaches courage and teamwork. It fosters resilience through challenging activities. And our archery sessions help students focus and stay steady. Wellness and counseling, Scouts and Guides and NCC, Army, Navy and Air Force teach discipline and service. Here, a wide variety of sports engage students, keeping their bodies fit and their minds alert. In this way, sports becomes more than a game. They are a preparation ground for life's challenges, instilling confidence and discipline that carry forward beyond the field. Children train in Mallakamba, building focus and inner strength, and explore their creativity through art. Festivals are shared with joy and pride, moments that bring everyone together. Alva's is more than a group of schools. It is a community built on vision, discipline, and compassion. Children from across the country come here to learn and grow. A small world of friendship, many voices, one family. This is Mini India. At Alva's school, every child finds a place to belong, a reason to dream, and the courage to shine.